Today is January 20th, 2022. I'm going to be replacing this thermostat on this Rude water heater. This particular thermostat here is known to be defective. It's a Rheem Classic, it's called Professional. I didn't put this in, somebody else did. So anyway, they give me the thermostat gas valve on warranty with the same one. We're going to see if this works. Now there's a White Rogers model that is compatible that replaces this in case if you have one that's out of warranty. But this is the gas valve they give me. The pilot keeps going on, so this is the same one as that. And we're going to get started here. Okay, I'm draining this just for precaution. As soon as I get it drained, I'll start the video. Okay, I'm gonna take the thermostat out and replace it. This is the old thermostat gas valve. Apparently, I don't know what's wrong with it. Defective. They claim they fixed it. We're gonna find out here. I'm gonna give it one more turn. This wasn't too tight, but that should be good. Now the newer one, they have this doesn't have it. They have a tap to, or excuse me, here it is right here, to check the gas pressure on the burner. If you can see that. Okay, so we're going to give it a test here, fill it up and test it out and see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna test this out for gas leaks, and I gotta bleed some of the radiators here. I mean the faucets. Make sure we have no gas leaks. Sounds like it's lit now. Which it is. So we're gonna see if I hold this down. And I'm gonna check this out to make sure the fan is working. You can see the flame in there. Looks pretty clean. Defective control. This is a Rheem Classic Series Professional. Anybody watches this video today, this is something that I find out relatively new, a problem. But other than that, see what if they fix the problem. Rheem. I'll be right back with the combustion checking. Okay, we're going to start this up, and I'm going to check the combustion of this water heater. Actually, gotta light it again. I did something there. Now, we're gonna do this again. I don't know what's going on. Now it's not lit. I'll be right back here. Okay, there was a little bit of air and I relit it. So we're going to start this combustion analysis test. Not too many people are doing this in Pittsburgh. NCI is coming here in February. I'm going for 3 days. This is very important, especially if you're putting new water heaters, boilers, or furnaces. I saw the light, so I got the information, the equipment, and I'm going to get the certification this February. R.E. Michaels is having a course on the 8th, 9th, and 10th. But this would protect you in any situation of a defect. Okay, we're going to turn this on now, and we just lit the water heater, and as you can see what the readings are. I got this down in here, drew a little hole, but so this is about 8 so far, 7 it's coming down. The installer of this water heater was a heating and air conditioning company. They do plumbing. They didn't do the commissioning of it. So it's burning pretty good. Set my timer for 12 minutes. This goes to show you what people do. I just seen this now. I think this is a heat, the fireproof foam. This was a heating and air conditioning, and like I said, they do plumbing. They used the foam in there to seal the flow pipe. So I don't know if this is appropriate or what, but I'm going to take it out and put some cement in there, because I don't know if that's a line or what the heck they did here. But that's real poor, shitty work. Mix a little bit for the lady. She's a good customer. They do all kind of things, you know. I've seen some of these videos from other people. They've got them all over the states that do half-ass work. That's what they look like they did. They put this, this is not heat cock, it's a foam. Which was burning. Maybe they put a liner, I don't know. Yeah, they used foam in here. That's not a liner, it's going in the chimney out of the way. They don't keep water on the truck. Or Stanley did it, I think. But I'll put some water in here. To seal it. It's a shame. You can see the damn insulation was smoldering. Okay, so this is doing pretty good. We're going to stop this and do the draft. We have a negative draft that's working good. I'll be right back. I'm doing a little bit of an ambient test. This Testo 300, they all do it. You should be doing this too to check to make sure, you know, there's no, with the furnace or whatever. So as you can see, there's nothing leaking around the water heater. Other than that, this is Vince Marino Plumbing in Pittsburgh. Vince Marino Plumbing LLC in Pittsburgh. Signing off until the next adventure. This is more of a related plumbing call. It's a hot water heater. I haven't been doing much plumbing videos, but I'll try to get a few more. So this is, you know, I check the combustion in the draft it safely. I'm going to recommend she puts a liner. I think my video stopped with this camera. That's why I repeated it. But there's no spillage. One part is minimal. So in the meantime, this is Vince Marino Plumbing LLC in Pittsburgh. Arrivederci.